Baron. Görüşürüz. Okay guys, so these are our home dogs. This one here is Leroy. This one's Munken. That one there is Baron. This one here is Sheila. This one here, we call him Cancer because he's just been sick so many times, and we've always taken him to the vet, and I don't know, we just couldn't really find a proper name for him. And what's this one? Caramel? Call him Caramel? This one's Caramel.
It's an upcoming one.
Yeah, so this is all of our dogs, the day one homies, the ones that have been around this whole time. They're all different breeds, and they all love each other, they all hang out with one another, they all put it on each other, they all bash each other. These are street dogs, guys, so they there's times where you think that they're ripping each other apart, but it's just the way they play. Ghetto. This is the dog Ghetto. Isn't that right? What the hell is that?
No, bro, what's that?
Bro, that's disgusting.
It feels funny.
The king, the leader of this whole place. If you want to live on these streets, you got to get his approval. So what he'll do first, he'll put it on you, stand you over. He'll bite you a few times. Yeah, he'll just test you out, just to see how weak you are, see how strong you are. And then after that, Leroy over there will come and nibble at you as well. And then the rest of the pack will do the same. And then Munken on the other side. She'll also bite you as well. So this is how they work. This is how they work. This is what they do. They just put it on everyone, put it on every other dog, and then once the dog gets the respect, and that's it. They're allowed on the streets. They're allowed in the Ghetto doghood. So look at this guy. He's coming now, right? He's just coming along, coming along. Let's see how Baron treats him. We know this guy, like he's all right with me. He's been bashed a few times. Hey guys, my battery is about to die, so look, see that? Did you see that? Did you see what he just did there? Did you see what he just did there? He's got food over there, but he's like, no. Like, he lets all the other ones eat, but not that guy because he doesn't like him. There's nothing we can really do about it because Baron is, you know, he's the king of these streets. So he's got his own law system in place, and we have to respect that because most of the dogs, they respect him anyway, so that's why it is the way it is. So yeah, Baron is our most vicious, fiercest beast we have here. He's about 9, 10 years old. We love him. He's the best. He doesn't want to settle down. He doesn't want his leg fixed. He's got problems with his black leg. Every time we try to treat it or whatever, he's just a lone wolf. Look at him. Look. We'll go back to the other side now. That's it. He's just a tough dog. Like, he's just fought a lot of battles. He's got a lot of battlefield scars. We can fight heaps of times. Some fights we can stop, some fights we just let it go because we know it's not going to be fatal. You don't want to get involved too much with, their system that they've got going. Sometimes it's best to just let them do their own thing. It's the law of nature. Obviously, if it's something fatal, we will get involved, we will stop it. But if it's just him standing someone over, I wouldn't stop it. I'll just let him do his thing, so that dog knows his place. Because they've got their own little laws, they've got their own little things. Look, see, look, he's looking at that one. He's not really good mates with this dog. He doesn't really like that one. Okay, throw one over there. What do you have to be teenager? Yeah. Nah, look, see? She's not.
Get, monkey. Get up.
Monkey, leave him alone. Get out of here. See how they are? They're just bullies. Dur.